I know this is Cameron with United Credit, showcasing our CPN apartment package. The CPN apartment package, we've been doing this now for about 10 years. It consists of a CPN tri-merge into all three credit bureaus with a trade line. This is one of our packages right here. This guy ordered a CPN package. He got the Credit Karma for him. Do the same for you. You get the trade line and the score. Score comes in about 700, 710, somewhere around there, which is usually high enough to qualify for an apartment or house nationwide. So here's the package that we said earlier. So we click it here. We add an AU, one AU, right here, about a year old, enough to give a great score. 1 year, new account, new all accounts. When we add a capital 1 to your profile to give it that score, because a blank CPN usually doesn't give you a score. It doesn't give you a score, but we add a trade line to it. You will get a score here. So here we go, authorized user. And there you have it. This is the package. This is all the CPN package is. A CPN tri-merge with a trade line. As I said, we've been doing this now for about 10 years. We do free consulting. If you have any questions, call us up. 202-213-2218, 7 days a week. You can answer any question you have about credit, about CPNs. We also add trade lines to existing CPNs. So if you have a CPN that's blank, we can add a low-cost trade line to your existing CPN and give it a score as well. We also do credit repair. We do business funding. We have trade lines, business trade lines, and primary trade lines. So call for details on all of our credit-related services. Subscribe to our channel. We do these proof videos about twice a month, just showing that we are in business. Our trade lines do post, and our package, our CPN apartment package, is real and does work. That's it for today. Thank you. Have a great day.